So now let's see how the calculations will work. So if you have a startup which has recently been incorporated, suppose in financial year 2022-23, you have 10 employees and salary of each of the employees 15,000. So in that case, total salary will come 1,50,000. In financial year 23-24, you have done additional hiring plus you have raised the salary of the employees who are with you from last year. Now suppose average salary per employee is 20,000 and you have now 20 employees. Okay, so now this year the salary payroll will come to 20,000 into 20 is 4 lakh. So what will happen is 20,000 into 20 is 4 lakh, which is incremental 2,50,000. Now 2,50,000 cut 30% is 75,000. Now multiply this 75,000 with 12 months because I am talking about monthly salary. So 75,000 into 12 is somewhere around 9 lakh rupees. So 9 lakh deduction you will get under section 80JJAA if you maintain proper records, do proper payroll. So payroll management, paying PFESI timely and maintaining records. So there is a form which is to be filed, like form 10DA has to be filed for this. So if you keep all the records, do all the required filings, you will be eligible to avail the deduction. Main thing is to maintain the records and comply with the